hopefully, bumuti na yung panahon para yung ibang mga kababayan natin makabalik na. Because some portion ng Barangay 105 nakabalik na. Some portion of Barangay 101 nakabalik na. Sa eastern side naman, which is yung inabangan natin mga ilog, konti lang akit ng tubig, but manageable. Kaya yung ibang evacuees doon sa eastern board, nakauwi na rin. So far, ang sitwasyon ng kalsada, yung ilang baha natin within the gutter deep lang. So, because of, well, I would like to thank MMDA for lending us that machine yesterday that we operated since mid-afternoon, yung nasa Roas Boulevard na mobile pumping machine. We will update you later, but we are managing 3,750 evacuees all over the city and about 10,860 ang individuals.
Kung mapapansin natin, Mayor, biglang lumobo talaga yung number.
Because I would rather have them here than being exposed to flooding and strong wind.
Ano po yung magiging basis, Mayor, for the
Depende sa pag-asa mamaya, abangan namin.
Mayor, ano naman po yung mga damaged properties sa lungsod?
Meron, sa private, meron na tayong ilang bahay sa Baseco. Ano na to, confirm na to na 3 talagang na-wash out. Generally, sa inland, more on debris from trees and other solid materials. But before I went here about an hour ago, I already directed Engineer Andres and Director Kenneth Amorao to deploy our people because it's safe already to deploy our employees in the streets of Manila to clear up all debris in mauna major roads and yung mga loob-looban.
Ay, yung mga tauhan po ng Maynila, for sure po may mga apektado din sa kanila.
Meron, pati nga pulis eh.
Opo.
Pati
Ano po?
mga pulis, may mga tinamaan tayo na bahay nila na apektuhan, lalo na doon sa Baseco. But kanina, as of about 9 o'clock, I was informed by the commander na full-time duty na ulit yung mga LESCO natin.
Yung mga tempo yun, may maglalagay din po ba? Kasi nasa wag dito sila, nababasa po sila ng ulan.
Well, we try to make our tent available but it was overwhelmed already with the sheer numbers of family. That's why the classroom are being utilized and the hallways. I think I would rather have them in the hallways than the nearby shore.
Saan po yung classroom? Kasi nasa labas po sila.
May mga classroom na ginamit. You can go around.